Hey, what's good, family? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy fractional shares on Robinhood. All right, so here we are in Robinhood. So now all we're going to do if we want to buy fractional shares is here. Let's say I want to buy a fractional share of IWM. Let's say I only had $5 to invest. I would click on IWM. I would hit trade. I would hit buy. And you can see, you can put the number of shares, like if I want one share, see the estimated cost is about $241.75. But if you don't have the money, you could actually put a decimal, and then you could do 0.1. You see 0.1 is $24.18. Or if I only had the money for 0.01, you could do it like that. So notice if I hit review, it'll let me do it, and then I'll just swipe up. But let's just say I wanted to buy, $5 worth. Let's say I had $5 and I wanted to consistently invest $5 into IWM. I would come over to shares. I could, here, first I want to show you, you could buy in dollars. So if I didn't care what price, or if I didn't care what price the stock was trading at, I could hit $5. Hit review, and that's about how many shares it would buy, and I would swipe up to submit. Or if I wanted to set it to continuously buy $5 every day or once a week, you can also go back, hit trade, buy. Up there where I just hit where it said dollars, you can see right here it says conditional orders. You can do a recurring investment. So right here, you can do every market day, which will be Monday through Friday, every week, every 2 weeks, every month. So if I wanted to do that, I could click on that, hit continue, and $5 right there. And from here, if I hit continue, it's gonna ask for a bank account to pull from, or where you want the money to come from. And I'm not going to do that just because it shows all my bank accounts, but you can also do it like that. So now with that being said, I'm actually going to come in here. I'm going to buy $5 of IWM just for the sake of buying $5 of IWM. Like, why not? And I'm going to hit buy in dollars. I'm going to buy $5. I'm going to hit review. I'm going to swipe up. And right here, you see the order was completed. I can view the order. All right, this was when it was submitted. And now you see I have a position. So now as the stock goes up, you can see that I have a return. If the stock goes up 1%, I'm up 1% on the $5 I made. If it goes down 10%, I'm down 10% on the $5 I made. So fractional shares are a beautiful thing. That way, if there is a stock that is too expensive for you, that you believe in and you want to invest in, but you don't have the money for a full share, you can still buy the stock, buy parts of the stock, and still benefit from the gain. So do you see a stock like Tesla and you think it's going to like 50x? If you put $5 and you 50x $5, that's $5 to $250. Who cares whether you had $350 to buy a share or whether you had $5 to just buy part of it? Either way, you 50x your money, and it was all because you knew how to buy fractional shares. So if you enjoyed this video or learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life.